First sales of medical marijuana in Ohio could come later this month, but so far only one dispensary is ready to open. Meanwhile, the state medical board met today to consider petitions to expand the list of conditions that can be treated with medical marijuana. NBC4's Ted Hart was at that meeting. He joins us live from downtown Columbus. Ted?
Well, and Mark, there are now 374 physicians in Ohio who are certified to recommend medical marijuana to their patients, and there are about 10 times that number of patients who are registered with recommendations to use it. And they qualify to use it based on very specific conditions laid out in Ohio law, but that list of eligible conditions could be expanding later this year. Around the state now, the first wave of medical marijuana has been grown, and it could be tested and available for sale before the end of the month. Under the state's law, about 24 medical conditions can qualify for a medical marijuana recommendation from a physician, including cancer and epilepsy, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. Now, though, the state medical board has started the process of reviewing petitions to add other health conditions to the list.
There is definitely medical literature out there that would support its use. The treatment of eczema, itchy skin or pruritus, and other issues, I think.
Out of 110 petitions submitted from around the state, only 8 clearly met the requirements for review.
Opioid use disorder, depression, insomnia, anxiety disorder, and autism.
Now the medical board will gather scientific evidence, review letters from physicians, and consult with experts before deciding whether to add any or all of those conditions to the list. And that review process by the state medical board is expected to take about 6 months. Local for you and live at the State House, Ted Hart, NBC4.
Thanks, Ted. We've posted a web poll about this story on our website and our Twitter page. What other conditions do you believe should qualify for a medical marijuana recommendation here in Ohio? You can log on to our Facebook page to share your opinion, and we'll share those results for you tonight on NBC4 at 7.